Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you the location of a block heater on 2024 Ford Bronco. So to access the block heater, first we're gonna have to open the hood, and we're gonna do that by pulling this plastic 2 times, once and twice. Now we're gonna just lift up the hood. And we can see our block heater is right here. So that's gonna be your passenger side next to the passenger headlight housing. And this is how it looks like. And you can plug this in your extension cable cord and then into the power outlet. And that will keep your oil warm, so you will have easy time to start your vehicle in the cold mornings. Thanks for watching. Bye.